holds a special place in Chinese culture. Chinese cooking became recognized in panciterias at the oldest Chinatown in the world, Binondo, Manila. And subsequently, the long stretch of Chinese restaurants along Banawe Street is recognized as the small Chinatown in Quezon City. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip to dine at Tramway Tea House at 76 Scout Alcaraz St, corner Banawe, Santa Mesa Heights, Quezon City. Tramway Tea House has mixed cuisine that represents the food landscape in Metro Manila with Chinese specialty dishes and some Japanese and Filipino favorites. For the diner who is acquainted with different Chinese foods, Tramway Restaurant comes with its regular repertoire of house specials, focusing on dishes favored by the Filipino palate, which include mixed vegetables with garlic, pancit canton guisado, sweet and sour pork, steamed cream dory, tramway chicken, and ampalaya con carne, complemented with yang chow fried rice and a hearty noodle soup. It also has the comforting chicken congee and best consumed with dim sum like steamed pork siomai, asado siopao, fried wontons, and fried siopao. Other dishes spread at the buffet are the do-it-yourself pressed vegetable salad and macaroni salad, the well-loved Filipino stew pork adobo, and the Filipinized version of sweet spaghetti and potato fries. Along with Japanese tempura maki and California maki. Desserts of various kinds at the buffet are a pleasant blend of Chinese and local that satisfy the pleasure of sweet tooths with fresh fruits like red watermelon and papaya, buko pandan, coffee jelly, sponge cake, chocolate chip cookies, coconut mochi, mongga buchi, puto, palitaw, maha blanca, gelatin, and ginataang bilo-bilo, among others. Refreshing drinks of Yakult watermelon, soda floats, and pots of hot tea are available at reasonable prices. Tramway Tea House stands out among the many Chinese restaurants in the Banawe area because of its good food and affordable buffet price at only 358 pesos net per person, excluding drinks. For the senior citizens and PWD diner, the 20% discount is applicable. The tea house is open daily for lunch from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. with convenient parking area in front of the restaurant. For inquiries and reservation for a budget-friendly occasion, call telephone numbers 3411-1565 and 8712-9038 and Viber 0921-366-8240. See you on our next food trip at XO46 Heritage Bistro at S. Mason of CONRAD, Manila, Marina Way, Pasay City. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!